This next gift, Nigel, is something that I think anyone who owns a camera should have, and this is a camera cleaning kit. And you definitely want to have this in your kit bag, because I can't tell you the number of times I get to a shoot and the first thing I do is to open up my camera and clean my sensor and just make sure I dust up my lens before I start shooting.
You do that before every shoot?
Before every shoot. So I have a friend who's actually taught me to do this before every shoot. Just
I'm impressed, because I don't do that. And then what I find is I get a great shot and then I find there's like annoyingly dust and then I've got to spend an hour on Photoshop retouching the dust out.
Yeah, you could just avoid all that by just making sure you've got a cleaning kit. And I love the fact that this comes with, it has 12 swabs, gamma fluid, a blower, different types of cloths, and my absolute favorite, which is the lipstick brush. I always have one in my handbag and you know, I've had the girls go, is that a lipstick? No, it's a lipstick brush for my camera. So this is a kit that you definitely need as someone who owns a camera, whether you do videography, content creation, photography, you just want to have this in your kit bag.
I think if you've got an interchangeable lens camera, even if it does have a little sensor cleaning function, which I presume yours does as well,
yes,
you'd still use this as well, because
yes,
that is not a replacement for cleaning it properly.
Yeah, it's always good to just take care of your kit. We open up our cameras quite a lot, especially when we're changing lenses, and you just never know that one time that you've got that speck of dust that will cause you to spend hours in Photoshop just trying to, you know, clean it out.
I guess it's especially important for you because you shoot weddings, don't you?
Yes.
So I can imagine the
You're
bride getting a
outdoors.
big blob of dust on her face is just not going to be a good look.
You just don't want to do that.
No.
So let's wrap this up. I'll get the tape. There we go. Yeah. And I always find people who have friends who are photographers going, oh, I don't know what to get them. You know, get them a cleaning kit. It's something that they will definitely use and think of you and thank you every day.
It's probably something they might not think of to get themselves.
Yeah, yeah. So I know photography can be an expensive hobby, but there's small stuff like, you know, the cleaning kits that are so essential and that anyone can buy for them.
It's also worth saying that there are obviously lots of cleaning kits out there, but this one from made by Just is top of the range, and it has plenty of stuff in the kit there, so it should last you a good amount of time.
Yeah. And the best part, Nigel, is that this gift is going to one of our viewers.
It is. So if you've got a dirty sensor, if so, you need this sensor cleaning kit, and this could be yours.
Yeah, and all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, make sure you comment, and yeah, let us know in the comment section what kind of photography you do. It's always nice to know what our viewers are doing with their cameras.
And why your sensor got so dirty in the first place. That's good to know.
True. I keep saying I want to do something with this ribbon, and I'm just going to do that. Ooh, isn't
Nice.
that pretty? So yeah, do enter this giveaway and you could walk away with a cleaning kit for your